AutoLeadStar is a powerful landing page software designed to boost your marketing efforts. But before you jump into a purchase, there are 12 important things you should know. These will help you decide if AutoLeadStar is the right fit for your business or if there's a better option out there. The first thing you'll want to consider is the user interface. AutoLeadStar offers a clean, simple interface that's beginner-friendly. Unlike some competitors, which can overwhelm you with complex options, this software keeps it easy to navigate while still offering advanced features. But if you're looking for something even more intuitive, platforms like Unbounce might offer more customization out of the box. Next thing, template variety. AutoLeadStar provides a range of templates, but they're not as diverse or creative as some other tools in the market, like Lead Pages or InStagepage. You might find these alternatives offering more variety in terms of design and customization right off the bat. The third thing to know is its integration with other tools. AutoLeadStar integrates well with popular CRMs and email marketing platforms, which is a plus. However, if you use specialized or less common software, you may find the integration somewhat limited compared to tools like ClickFunnels, which offer a wider variety of third-party app connections. The fourth thing to note is its automation features. AutoLeadStar excels in automating lead capture and follow-up. It's a great solution if you're focusing on converting leads quickly and nurturing them automatically. However, if you need more advanced automation capabilities, such as multi-step workflows or deeper personalization, other platforms like ActiveCampaign might be a better choice. The fifth thing to consider is the speed and performance. AutoLeadStar generally performs well, but speed can be a factor if you're running traffic-heavy campaigns. Competitors like InStagepage tend to have slightly faster loading times, which is important when you're driving traffic to high-conversion landing pages. Next, let's talk about pricing. AutoLeadStar's pricing is competitive, but it can be more expensive compared to simpler platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, especially if you're just starting out. If you're a small business looking for budget-friendly options, these alternatives could offer similar features at a lower cost. The seventh thing you should know is mobile optimization. AutoLeadStar does a decent job with mobile-friendly landing pages, but other platforms like Unbounce offer more advanced mobile customization options. If mobile optimization is crucial for your audience, you might want to explore those options. The eighth thing to consider is the analytics and reporting. AutoLeadStar's analytics are solid, but not as in-depth as other tools like Lead Pages. If you need more granular insights into your campaigns, platforms like Google Optimize can provide more detailed reporting. The ninth thing is customer support. AutoLeadStar provides support through chat and email, but response times can vary. Competitors like ClickFunnels offer more robust customer service options, including live support and training resources, which might be a deciding factor for some users. The 10th thing is A/B testing. AutoLeadStar offers basic A/B testing, but it's not as flexible as platforms like InStagepage or Lead Pages. If testing and optimization are core to your strategy, you may prefer the more advanced split testing capabilities of other software. The 11th thing is scalability. AutoLeadStar is great for small to medium-sized businesses, but larger enterprises may need more advanced features that aren't available. For large-scale operations, something like HubSpot could be a better fit, offering a more extensive set of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. And finally, it's worth mentioning the ease of use. AutoLeadStar is designed to simplify the process of creating high-converting landing pages, but it might require a learning curve if you're not familiar with landing page design. If you want something with an even smoother learning curve, platforms like Wix or WordPress can be quicker to get started with. In conclusion, AutoLeadStar is a solid option if you're looking for a streamlined landing page builder with a focus on lead generation. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a lower price point, we recommend checking out our top solution, which you can try for free.